Is Emerson Mnangagwa'S parliament a legitimate representation of Zimbabwean will, or is it a facade constructed on dubious grounds? In the recent election, Emerson Mnangagwa was declared the winner with 52.6% of the vote, amidst a storm of controversy. The main opposition leader, Nelson Chamisa, has raised a red flag, alleging blatant and gigantic fraud. This claim is not isolated. International observers have echoed concerns, pointing out an environment rife with voter intimidation. Chamisa, representing the Citizens Coalition for Change, contends that the election results were hastily assembled without proper verification, suggesting a manipulation of the democratic process. His party claims victory, asserting that they have been wrongfully denied power. In response, Mnangagwa denies these allegations, defending the election's transparency and celebrating Zimbabwe as a mature democracy. The global perspective adds weight to the domestic discord. The UN Secretary General has expressed concerns over the reports of voter intimidation and harassment, highlighting that these elections may not have met international standards. Election monitors are pointing out significant discrepancies that could influence the perceived legitimacy of the parliament. Turning our eyes towards the regional response, the Southern African Development Community, SADC, plays a crucial role. Historically, SADC has been pivotal in mediating political stability in the region. In the case of Zimbabwe's latest elections, SADC has expressed concern over the alleged irregularities and the atmosphere during the elections. However, their official stance walks a line of cautious diplomacy. SADC calls for all disputes to be resolved through legal frameworks and emphasizes the importance of maintaining peace and stability in Zimbabwe. To sum up, the legitimacy of Emerson Mnangagwa's parliament hangs in a delicate balance. With allegations of electoral fraud, international and regional concern over the integrity of the voting process, and a divided national opinion, the political future of Zimbabwe remains uncertain. SADC's call for legal resolution and peace underscores the need for a careful navigation through these turbulent political waters. What lies ahead for Zimbabwe will undoubtedly test the resilience and maturity of its democracy.